Hey everybody, it's Brian. It's about time I get started on my front yard here. We moved into this house 5 years ago, and I have not touched the front yard other than cut the grass and edge the weeds, and that's about it. So my neighbors will be happy. We're going to get going here. I'm going to do it in pieces. I'm not doing some giant thing all at once. There's just too much to do. So just starting off, I'm cleaning one of the beds in the front, pulling out all the weeds and getting space made so I can get some plants in here. We've got an ensete that we're going to put down. We've got some canna lilies and a couple of torch lilies that are going to get us started here. So I'm just positioning things, putting them where I think they should go, where I think they'll look good, and making sure that I like the layout before I start digging any holes. Once I've got that down, breaking up the soil and digging holes big enough for these plants. I'm digging the hole about twice the size of the actual pot itself, knowing that the root ball, these are probably all root bound, and they'll need the space to do well. Don't forget to break up your roots as you're planting things. Make sure the roots have some good space to go in different directions. If you don't break them up, they can stay bound. I've seen plants. My last house, I dug out a bunch of bushes and trees where they didn't break up the root balls, and the root balls stayed intact, and the plants were not doing well. So make sure you break them up, stick them in the ground, put them back with the dirt, and they're good to go. I got things in the ground now, so I'm just turning on the water, giving them a good drink, getting them watered in. And this is the start. Lots more to come as I continue to work on this front yard here in Zone 8. Like and follow to see the progress on this and other tropical and subtropical plants I grow near Seattle. Thanks for watching.